Okay, you guys, we are taking a walk over to the Cortez for session 15, and the bankroll is at 400. And we're going to use the same strategy, lay bets, try to get lucky on the hard ways, and I'll see you guys inside the casino.
Some dice all day long. Who's lucky shooter?
Alright, so the 4 just hit, so let's go 25 on the 4. 11.
Yo, 11 for Longman. Still coming up. 3 traps ace deuce. Line away. Come out roll. Please place your bets.
5's the point.
5 alive. No field. Down behind.
Oh man, I put 25. Oh man,
Please
lost
place your
25.
bets.
I had 25 on the seat.
Don't
didn't
forget
mean to
your
do
odds
that.
on the 5. Every 2, you get 3.
Didn't get that 25 back. That was a mistake. 5. That was the point, so we're starting all
Time to
over.
place your bets. We're coming out. Craps. Go.
$11
High, low. CNN.
I
Lucky
mistakenly
shooter
put
bet.
25 right there. I knew it was going to get hit on the 4.
4 easy. Mark the 4. Down behind. Single the field. The point is 4. It's time.
6.
6. Down behind. Don't come. Travel to the 6. It's time to place your bets. Put some money on the odds. It takes 7 out. Out 7. Line away. Pay the don't, and the last come, pay behind. Get your bet set. 3 cups. Line
get a
away.
point.
Pay the don't. Single the field.
10.
10. Easy 10. Mark it. Spike it. Light it. Place your bets. You can't win if you don't bet.
One hit. I paid $9.50. Lost 2 there. Let's take that
Don't
down.
forget your odds.
So we're
Bet
only
about
up
6 to 1 on the
$3.
hard 10.
See if we can get up. 5.
Out 7. Line away. Pay the don't,
So
and
now
the last
$8.
come, pay behind. Get your bet set. We're coming out again.
That was back to 400.
Time to place your bets.
We need $29.
It's time to place your bets. 2 cracks snake eyes. Line away. Pay the don't. Double the bubble. It's time to place your bets. 9. Mark it up and single the field. The point is 9.
Need $29.
Place your bets. The field is alive after 9. Field bet anybody?
Got 15 up. Man, I swear.
7 on 7. Line away. Warm beer.
Just can't get 2
cold
hits.
dice. Place your bets.
Alright, they starting to bet on the
Eight
chip.
hard square pair. Our point is 8. Place your bets.
It's a lot of sevens on
Hard
this
8
board.
is
God
open.
dang.
Better back 10 for 1. Who wants a hard 8?
Come on, one hit. 38 out.
Please place your bets. 8 easy is good. Hard 8 is better. Don't forget your hard 8.
We need 37 bucks.
Travel to the 10. Please place your bets. Please place your bets.
Nobody
5 down behind. No field. Go. You're 11. Take the don't. Get in the field and come. 9er down behind. Single the field. 6 easy 6 down behind. No field. Place your bets. 6 down behind. Don't come. Travel to the 6. Place your bets. 4 soft. Hit the field. Hard 4 is going. Warm beer, cold dice.
All right, let's get a point.
Please place your bets.
What's it?
8 easy 8. No field. Down behind. Please place your bets. You can't win if you don't bet. Let's see some hard 8 money.
26 out. R10. Let's take that. Let's clear the bets. So we need 8 bucks. We need 8 bucks. So let's
Hard
go.
8 is open. Better back 10 for 1. Who wants a hard 8? 9 down behind. Don't come. Go to the 9. It's time to place your bets. 8 easy is good. Hard 8 is better. Don't forget your hard 8.
48 out.
3 clips. Come away. Pay the guy.
8 bucks.
Single the field. It's time to place your bets.
10.
10 on the other end. Down behind. Hard 10 is down. It's time to place your bets.
Now we need 18. There you go. So that's our 10%. It was an up and down battle. Back and forth, up and down. We're gonna cash that ticket out.
We're coming out. Cross, go, high, low, C&E, lucky shooter
That's our
bet.
10% win. Guys, it's in session 15. That was an up and down battle. Started off bad with the putting the 25 by mistake on the CE. That won't happen again, I tell you that. But we got through session 15. The bankroll is now at 4-4. And I'll see you guys on session 16. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe and follow the journey to 10K. We're only about any amount of money, 10x's every 25 sessions. So with 25 sessions for 4,400. I'll see you guys in the next video.